Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Step by Step. I am Ying. So today we'll learn to form a valid deductive argument for a situation, okay? So let's go through this example 18 together. Form a valid deductive argument for each of the following situations. A. All mammals are warm-blooded. Cats are mammals. Cats are warm-blooded. So this is a very easy example, okay? We just put it in the form of premise 1, then premise 2, followed by the conclusion made, okay? So we can see that this is general, then this is specific, okay? So yeah, it is a deductive argument, okay? So again, for part B, if x is greater than 0, then x has a positive value. This is premise 1. Then premise 2, 6 is greater than 0, then followed by the conclusion, okay? 6 has a positive value. Then part C, if x is an odd number, then x plus 1 is divisible by 2. 18 plus 1 is not divisible by 2. 18 is not an odd number, okay? So let's recall, this is in form 3, this is in form 2, and this is in form 1, okay? So all these are valid arguments. Then now let's go through this example 19. Write a conclusion for each of the following deductive arguments to form a valid and sound deductive argument. So premise 1, all whole numbers are real numbers. Premise 2, 38 is a whole number. Conclusion, 38 is a real number, okay? So this is in form 1. If ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 has real roots, then b squared minus 4ac greater than or equals to 0. Then 2x squared plus bx minus 2 equals to 0 has real roots. So p squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 2 is greater than or equals to 0, okay? So this is in form 2. If you don't know how I came to this step, right? Let's recall, okay? A, B, and C. What are the values of A, B, and C? A is the coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x, and C is the constant, okay? This is how we came to this step. Okay, let's proceed with part C. If a straight line y equals to mx plus c is parallel to the x-axis, then m equals to 0. Then premise 2, m is not equals to 0. So straight line y equals to mx plus c is not parallel to the x-axis, okay? So this is in form 3. Okay, you can refer to the answers given here. So now let's go through this example 20. Write the premise for each of the following deductive arguments to form a valid and sound deductive argument. So premise 2, 37 is a prime number. 37 has only 2 factors. So we know that premise 1 is all prime numbers have only 2 factors, okay? So this is in form 1. Then part B, if the annual sales of A and C company exceeds 3 million, then the employees get a bonus of 3 months' salary. So let's look at the conclusion. The annual sales of A and C company do not exceed 3 million. So premise 2 will be the employees of A and C company do not get a bonus of 3 months' salary, okay? So this is in form 3. Then lastly, if x equals to k, then k is a root of the equation 3x squared minus 5 equals to 12. Then the conclusion made, x is not equals to 9. So premise 2 should be 9 is not a root of 3x squared minus 5 equals to 12. And again, this is in form 3, okay? So now we have reached the self-practice 3.2c, okay? So go back, please complete this self-practice so that you can master all the skills that we have learned today. so that the knowledge belongs to you. Okay, so again, if you have a lot of difficulty, you are facing a lot of challenges in completing all these self practices, I've prepared an online course for you guys. Okay, it is a step-by-step guidance for every self practice in a textbook, including the comprehensive practice at the back of each chapter. Okay, so coming next, we'll learn to determine and justify the strength of an inductive argument. Okay, just now we have learned for deductive argument, and hence determine whether it is a strong argument and whether it is cogent. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you do not miss out any of my upcoming videos. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.